So hey guys, welcome back once again in this YouTube channel, and this is Masum here as always. So now in this video I'm gonna break it down that how social media can help us to improve our spoken English. And before that, so it's my humble request to all of you that please do subscribe my channel, like my videos and comment on my videos, so as we we can grow togetherly. Okay, so I hope you have already got to know through the thumbnail that how social media can help us to improve our spoken English. So if you want to sound like American, like British, or like any Indian English, or like any foreigner, so you should practice spoken English. So first of all, what you need to do, you should to listen to music, or you should watch any movies with subtitles, or you should listen to any podcast. So what I mean that wherever from you can learn, you just need to learn. Okay. So in these days, learning spoken English is not so hard. It's not like rocket science. It's so easy. It's up to you. It's depend on you. But among the social media like Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, Google, or any kind of AI apps, which can help you to learn spoken English very easily, so easily. Okay, believe me that I have just I learned this kind of spoken English by using only social media. For example, like Facebook. Okay, so each and every day you operate Facebook. So whenever you open the Facebook app or logged in into the Facebook app, so you can see that there are so many pages of any kind of influencers or any persons. So you can follow them, and they already used to post, or they already posted so many facts, like so many pictures, so many new words, vocabulary words, or so many phrases, so many idioms. So whenever you open the Facebook app, if you follow the right person, if you follow the right page, then you will get to know that there are so many materials in English that we can learn. Okay, now this is the option one, and there are so many options like in Instagram too. Also you can use an AI app. You can speak with any kind of AI app. I will recommend in my next video. Okay, so also nowadays our main weapon is like 𝗙GPT. Okay, so you can ask any kind of question which any doubt of you. You can ask to 𝗙GPT, and 𝗙GPT will answer your very detailed with very details. Okay, analytically. Okay. Also, I believe that in these days you should not join any spoken class or any spoken English courses. Although if you are from the urban areas, then you have the opportunity to join that kind of classes. But if you are from the rural areas, then I believe that you should not have the opportunity to join any kind of spoken English classes. So in this case, you can follow me, or you can follow any influencer who's are on YouTube. So from there they can learn as they teach to the viewers. So you can watch that kind of videos to learn spoken English, and you can utilize that in your daily basis life. But only watching that kind of videos, or listening to podcast, listening any kind of audio books, it's not enough. You should do practice. Okay, although it is easy to speak in English like an Indian, but it is very difficult to speak like American, like British, like Canadian, Australian. It's depend on you that what kind of accent you are learning and what kind of accent you try to use in your spoken English. So nowadays I want to say that social media is the best weapon and the most powerful weapon. By applying those, you can learn so many things, not only spoken English. By applying those, you can be a successful person, you can be an influencer too. As a beginner, initially I used to do that. I mean, I listen to that kind of podcast and watch that kind of videos of any famous person. Or for example, English speeches. There is a channel on YouTube that is the name, I think, English speeches. Okay, so you can watch that kind of videos, which will obviously help you to make you perfect and to help you to speak in English. Okay, there are so many persons for whom this spoken English is like a piece of cake for them. Okay, so for example, what I mean that here, a piece of cake for them is like it's very easy for them. So actually it's an idiom. Okay, so this kind of language is called C1 level, but initially it would be not so easy to speak like that, to sound like that. So first of all, you should learn the basic grammar rules. and then you can apply those in spoken English, and the day will come 100% when you will get to know that your English level has reached at the level of C1 level. Okay, so in this meanwhile, my humble request, please do subscribe my channel as I can grow with you, and like my videos, comment on my videos, share my videos, because it is not easy to get success without you. You are the main weapon here. I can say that you are the main weapon of me. Not only watching my video is enough, but you should subscribe my channel, please. You can read any English newspapers also, you can read any English books, because listening and reading makes you more perfect. Only listening and reading is not enough, you should do practice. Okay, like mirror speaking or self-talk, or you can speak with the children where you will never feel nervous. So I hope you have already subscribed my channel, like my videos, comment on my videos. So meet you soon on my next videos. Thanks for watching. Jai Hind.